Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking to save money, discover top-rated products and make smarter buying decisions, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll compare the Google Nest Thermostat and the Ecobee Smart Thermostat, diving deep into the features, performance, and real-world pros and cons you need to know before you buy. Stick around till the end, because I'm also sharing a few insider tips on how to snag the best deals and save big. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends who love getting the best deals. Let's jump right in. Google Nest Thermostat. Google Nest Thermostat starts around $129, making it one of the more affordable smart thermostats available. It's an excellent entry-level option for smart home automation without a hefty price tag. Learns your schedule and temperature preferences, adjusting automatically to reduce energy consumption. Provides energy usage reports to help users save money on heating and cooling bills. Works with both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, giving users the ability to control temperature via voice commands. The Google Home app allows users to adjust temperature settings remotely, whether they're at home or away. Supports most 24-volt heating and cooling systems, but lacks support for more complex HVAC systems, like those with humidifiers or ventilators. Intelligent scheduling. Adapts to your routines, automatically setting the right temperature based on whether you're home or away. The Nest Thermostat includes a motion sensor to detect when someone is home, optimizing energy efficiency. However, it does not come with room-specific sensors, which means temperature adjustments are generalized across the home. Simple and sleek with a touch-sensitive edge that users can swipe to adjust temperature settings. The setup process is intuitive, with clear instructions in the Google Home app. Easy DIY installation with step-by-step guidance provided through the app. However, if your home has a complex HVAC system, you may face some compatibility issues. Nest products are built with premium materials. Although the newer models use more plastic than previous versions, they are still considered durable and visually appealing. Google provides online support via forums and FAQs. They also offer software updates to improve features and resolve bugs. Some users have noted that live support could be more responsive, but it is generally reliable. Ecobee Smart Thermostat. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat is priced around $249. It's more expensive than the Google Nest Thermostat but offers a wider range of advanced features, including smart sensors and built-in voice control. It comes with a room sensor that can be placed in different parts of your home to balance the temperature more accurately. Additional sensors can be purchased to improve comfort across multiple rooms. Unlike the Google Nest, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat has Alexa built in, making it a fully functioning smart speaker. You can control not only the thermostat but also other smart devices. Ask questions, play music, etc. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings, making it one of the most versatile smart thermostats on the market. Provides detailed reports on energy usage and integrates with utility company energy-saving programs, helping you maximize efficiency. Compatible with most HVAC systems, including more complex setups with multi-stage heating and cooling, humidifiers and dehumidifiers. The included room sensor optimizes the temperature in rooms where it matters most, making it ideal for larger homes or multi-level spaces. Adjusts quickly to your settings and responds immediately when using the app or voice commands. Functions as a full Alexa smart speaker, allowing for hands-free control of smart home devices, playing music, and more. The thermostat's touchscreen interface is sleek and intuitive. The companion Ecobee app is user-friendly and provides easy access to settings, schedules, and energy usage reports. DIY installation is possible for basic systems, but for more complex HVAC setups like those with humidifiers, professional installation may be recommended. Solid construction with a high-quality design, making it durable for long-term use. It's built to handle advanced HVAC systems and multiple room sensors, which can improve performance over time. Ecobee is known for its excellent customer support. They offer live chat, phone support, and an extensive FAQ section on their website. Additionally, their thermostats receive regular firmware updates to enhance performance. If you're looking for a smart thermostat that's affordable yet functional, the Google Nest Thermostat is a great option. It offers essential smart features, easy installation, and good integration with Google Assistant and Alexa. However, its lack of room-specific sensors and compatibility with complex HVAC systems may limit its appeal for larger homes or more advanced setups. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat justifies its higher price with advanced features such as room sensors, built-in Alexa, and extensive smart home compatibility. It's ideal for users with more complex HVAC systems or those who want to control temperature in specific rooms. The added versatility with voice assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, and HomeKit makes it the better choice for smart home enthusiasts. If you're looking to save money up front and don't need advanced features like room sensors, the Google Nest Thermostat is the way to go. It's a solid, affordable option for automating your home's temperature control. If you're willing to invest more for a comprehensive smart home solution with better temperature control, room sensors, and Alexa built in, go with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat.